Hey, I'm sorry for the sound quality. I haven't got a microphone set up on my camera right now, and I'm losing, well, the light's actually coming on too fast, and I wanted to get this done. Uh, I'm trying to, do a little construction type work out here, but my back's sore, and so I'm going to do a few Tai Chi exercises to get loosened up before I get started on my day. And it's been a very long time since I've done any Tai Chi to any degree, so all of these are going to be wrong. But the important thing is to move. Don't worry about your breathing, whenever you're, doing this movement or that movement. When you're just starting out, the breathing will come natural later. And this probably isn't the best place to do Tai Chi because it's not level here, but I'm going to do it anyway. So, like I said, I can't even remember the name of this exercise, but what you do is you visualize yourself holding like a beach ball or a volleyball, but I kind of like the beach ball. That's what feels good to me in my shoulders. Alright, you hold this beach ball up over your head, and the beginning version of this is you don't bend your back, you just move your arms around. Okay, this is going to be 2 right here. 3 right here. And so, I know my arms, man, are not keeping perfect form. But that doesn't matter because it's making my back feel better. I'm not trying to win a Tai Chi competition this week or anything. All I'm trying to do is get some blood flow and some movement. Okay, is that 1 or 2? I think it was just 1. Might have been 2. And it's 3. Now I'm not going to go all off into the esoteric, flow and meridians and all that. Today, all I'm trying to do is, make my back stop hurting. So, the more advanced version of this exercise, which I cannot remember the name of, and I'll get it posted. I'll either dig out my book or Sensei Gary, this guy who's taught me a lot of stuff since I was like 14 years old in 2 different schools. We wound up training together. And I'd also like to thank Sensei Al Brown out there, wherever he's at. I miss you. But anyway, the more advanced version of this is, grab your imaginary beach ball, lift it over your head. Okay, there's 1. There's 2. Three. 4. Okay, now we're going to go the other way. 4. Starting to feel a little bit better already. Now, of course, you want to talk to your doctor or healthcare provider before you start any kind of exercise regimen or diet change. But that's the first exercise, which I cannot remember its name. I'll do a few more, and but I got to go get my green tea. It's sitting over here. Got to stay civilized. I'll you know, I don't know how to put links and all that stuff in, but I'll figure it out. But I will mention the guy's name, that the book. Sorry, I'm out of shape. My heart rate is elevated right now. We'll do another take here. All right, you got to stay civilized. Having a little green tea here. Need to warm it up. We'll do that here in a minute. Hello. Hey, I hope I'm not bothering you too early for a silly question. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm really sorry to bother you then. Well, those can mess you up too.